अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि ताला वबरकातुहू बिस्मिल्लाह वल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला अशरफिर रुसुलिहि व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन अम्मा बाद. In this video we are discussing about what is the political science, what is meant by the political science, and the three major disciplines, classification of political science, and a brief history, the emergence of political science. Firstly, the definition: systematic study of governments by the application of empirical and generally scientific method of analysis. Systematic study, that is the new concept of the political science, and that's a systematic study of governance uh, governance by the governance of a nation by the application of empirical and generally scientific methods of analysis. The by the empirical evidences, by surveying, and by another methods of empiricism, and generally by the application of empirical and generally scientific method, empirical methods, or by the and also by the scientific methods of analyzing a communication or a society. And the emergence as the first political science, the most consider Aristotle, the first political scientist who had studied and have empirical observations into the study of politics, who had made the political science such as we know like this in this time. He had many contribution in many disciplines of knowledge, such as in the philosophy, the many disciplines of philosophical knowledge. Writing by the historian Ibn Khaldun, a famous historian from the Arab, from the Islamic community in North Africa, have greatly influenced the study of politics. He had a work in the name of Muqaddimah, the introduction, as its name, that is a introduction book, introduction preface to his large book, another book, but its introduction have also its introduction introduction is also a very enormous huge book to study about it. The major three disciplines: public relations, public law, and public administration. First, public relations. What is the public relations? A strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationship between organization and their publics. There are many organization or many institution in a society, such as kinship, and the government, and the public relation is a relation, that builds a mutual beneficial benefit to both sides, to both organization and to the public. And second one, public law. Public law is governs relationship between the state may be government or government agencies. Then the relationship between the state with its subject, that subject is who have selected the state, the subject who have selected the state in the in the in the in the in the in the countries those have elections, and also the relationship between individual directly concerning the society. And the last one, public administration, the implementation of government policy and also an academic discipline that studies this implementation and prepares civil employees for working in the public service. And the implementation of government policy, all the government policy and the laws of a government, and all that is the public administration, implementation of the government laws and the policies of government. And this is also, and public relations is also an academic discipline. This discipline discuss and that studies the implementation of the government and prepares civil employees for working in the public service. That is the public administration. Then we are discussing the definition, what is mean by the political science, and the emergence of the uh, uh, political science. We are missed a very point, the political science which we faces, which we live in this time. That is the politics that had emerged, that has shaped as well in the half of the 19th century, by many politicians had shaped the political science into this type of politics. Then we are discussed about the three major disciplines of the political science, and we are going to conclude our video. Wa akhir da'wana wa da'wa alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.